How to enable direct message on TikTok. So if you want to enable direct message on your TikTok account, then that's pretty easy. Just watch this video till the end and to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I have already logged into my account and I'm able to explore to various TikTok videos like this. So the first step, simply tap over your profile at the right bottom corner, and here you have to tap over the three-bar horizontal line at the right upper corner and go for settings and privacy. So here just go for privacy, and here are a lot of options. Simply go for messaging because we are talking about the message related options. And at the upper section you can see there is a messaging option. Tap over there, and right now it's set to followers you follow back and people you send to message. Just send it to everyone, and by doing that everyone can send you direct messages, which means you'll be able to enable direct message on your TikTok account. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.